look at these photos. I want you to pay attention and look at these photos, how I edit these photos in less than 1 minute. Yes, I edit these photos in less than 1 minute. These photos you are seeing here, from the former one to the new one, in less than 1 minute using ChatGPT. Yes, I edit these photos using ChatGPT in less than 1 minute. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can also do the same and edit any photos using ChatGPT. You can use any method you want to use and edit these photos. Look so nice the way you want it to be, and it's free. You are not going to pay for anything. It's free. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because in this video I'm going to show you the method I use to edit those photos using ChatGPT. The prompt I use, I'm going to show you in this video. So meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, in this channel we teach you how you can use AI to edit photos, how you can use AI to create videos, edit videos, how you can use AI to write text, how you can use AI to answer your school question, how you can use AI to do anything. That is what we teach you in this channel. So if you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button right now, so that when next I drop more videos on how you can be using AI, you should be among of the people to watch those videos. Don't forget, subscribe and also hit the notification bell. That is the most important thing to do. Now let's get started. Let me show you step-by-step method which I use to edit those photos you just see right now. The prompt I use with ChatGPT, and ChatGPT give me those image look that you just see moment ago. Now let's get started. Let me go and show you the method and the prompt I use to edit those photos. Let's get started. So to edit that kind of image using ChatGPT, log into your ChatGPT, and the first thing you are going to do is to click on this image icon. You click on photos. So you upload the photos. So let me just upload one of the photos on my phone. Let me upload one of my photos. So I'll be using this my image. So the next thing I need to do is to upload my prompt. So this is my prompt. Don't worry, I'll be leaving down this prompt on my Telegram channel. All you just have to do, just go to the description of this video. You see the link to my Telegram channel. Make sure you join my Telegram channel, and when you join my Telegram channel, the link, this prompt will be on my Telegram channel. Then after I put this prompt, the next thing I'll do is to click on continue. And when I click on continue, ChatGPT is going to give me the best design, like what you just see a moment ago. So let's just wait for it. As you can see working, let's just wait for it to complete. Don't forget, just as I said, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now, so that when next I drop more videos like this, you will be getting latest videos. And if you have not also joined our Telegram channel, the link to our Telegram channel will be in the description of this video. Go and click on it so that you join our Telegram channel and get this prompt and every prompt you need. And also in that Telegram channel, we drop updates every day. So don't forget to join our Telegram channel right now. So after giving him this prompt, as you can see, this is the image I upload, and this is the prompt, and this is what he generated for me. As you can see, I also upload this image you are seeing here with the same prompt, and this is the result it gives to me. As you can see, this is the result. All I just have to do is just to upload image, and when you upload image, I upload this image, I give him this prompt, and it gives me this image. So that is how I'll be using it, and it generates the image for me. You can also try it out. I'll be leaving down this prompt in my Telegram channel, and the link to my Telegram channel will be in the description of this video. Go and click on it so that you join my Telegram channel, where I'll be sharing this prompt, and I also share a lot of prompts on my channel, and I also share a lot of prompts on my Telegram channel, so you can go and try them out and see how I edit and see different type of prompts on my Telegram channel. So when you check this out, as you can see, these are some of the image I created. I upload 2 images, I still give him the same prompt again, and after giving him the prompt, this is the image is generated for me for this second image here. As you can see, this is what he generated for me. I click on continue so that it will generate the second image, and this is the second image it generated for me for this one you are seeing right here, this one. So all you just have to do is just to head down to the description of this video. You will see a link that will take you to my Telegram channel. You join my Telegram channel, I will be leaving down the link to my Telegram channel in the description. So you go to my Telegram channel and you are going to see this prompt. I'm going to share the prompt on my Telegram channel. Then you go and copy the prompt and you can start using it. You can also edit the prompt. If you like, you can edit the prompt. So this is the method I use to edit these pictures. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe so that when I start drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.